there are many reasons why your YouTube TV app could not be working. So in this video, we'll be going over all of the basic troubleshooting steps you can take. Starting off by far the easiest is just to force quit and restart the app, which is pretty simple both on Android and on iOS. On your Android device, simply just click on your apps button in the bottom left and then swipe up to get rid of YouTube TV. While on iPhone, simply just swipe and hold in the middle and once again remove YouTube TV when you see it. If that still doesn't help, make sure to restart your device altogether and see if maybe that solves your issue. If not, you may want to see if there are any updates available to it, either on the Google Play Store or also on the Apple App Store by simply just searching up the YouTube app and seeing if it presents you with an update option. Also make sure the service isn't currently down by checking on a website like downdetector.com, and if it is down, well, there's not much you can do apart from wait for it to go back up. Another important thing to do is check if your internet connection is up and running by trying literally anything else that requires the internet on the problematic device. So just try to access any web page or try to play any content through any other app. If it works, another thing you may want to do is see if you actually meet the speed requirements for YouTube TV, which is about 3 megabits per second. By going to a website like speedtest.net, you can see if you actually have enough bandwidth to properly make use of the service. While 3 megabits per second is the minimum requirement, 5 to 7 gives you a decent experience, and if you want to stream at 4K, well, that's going to be upwards of 20 megabits per second. Another thing to keep in mind is that YouTube TV is only available in the US right now, so make sure that your device actually says that you are in the US, because if you bought the YouTube TV while there and you're now elsewhere, then obviously it isn't going to work. And also, if you're using a VPN that is reporting as being outside of the country, well, it also isn't going to work either. So turn off your VPN and try again. Basically, your device has to be fully inside of the United States or using a VPN to go into the United States for the service to work. So those are all of the main troubleshooting steps you can take if YouTube TV isn't working. So if you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.